Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to Cat's Eye. I am 52 years old and I love makeup and skincare. And today we're going to be testing out the new Benefit Hello Happy Brightening Foundation and their new Benetint Lip and Cheek Stain. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm freaking terrified because I have to go to Knoxville. They are premiering my new ballet, driving up this morning. Don't mind the camera person back there. She is filming a documentary on me, but anyway, she's coming along for the ride. She's going to document a day in my life. And of course, I'm doing a video. So it's kind of like a vlog and a documentary at the same time. The reason why I'm terrified is because this foundation got 4 out of 5 stars. I've heard it gets cakey. I hear it oxidizes. I'm going to be meeting a lot of people. There's going to be a performance today. I want to feel like I want to look my best, but we're just going to roll with it. And then the Benetint, this cheek and lip stain, I'm fascinated by it. This got 5 stars out of 5 stars on the Ulta website. So we're just going to go balls in, try it. If I look like shit, I look like shit. So let's go. All right. I've already primed and prepped my skin with the No Problem Primer. Of course, hopefully it'll provide a nice canvas for my skin, and I have not even opened this puppy up. I bought the mini in shade 3, which is a light neutral warm, I think. According to the specs, it is medium coverage, liquid foundation, broad spectrum, SPF 15. So I already have my sunscreen on, but it's going to be a rainy day, so we'll just roll with it. I've heard it's medium to full coverage, and I've also read on the website that a little goes a long way. I'm familiar with Benefit's foundation because I've used the Hello Happy Soft Blur foundation. Not a huge fan of it, so we'll see how this one goes. But let's just go balls in. I have not even swatched it, so let's see what the texture is like. As you can see, it's a pump, cute frosted glass bottle. And let's try to get the product out. Ooh, that's 2 pumps. Okay, the consistency's kind of thick at first, but see how it's dripping? It's got a fragrance to it, unfortunately, but I'm just gonna go in. Oh my God, I hope this looks good. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and take my damp beauty sponge and tap it in. You guys, I'm nervous, excited, terrified to see my work on stage. It's different when you're a ballet dancer and you are in control. You're in control of your dancing and your emotions, but when you choreograph something and you see it on other dancers, you just hope that they run with it and make it their own. It's not my ballet anymore, it's their ballet. So I'm excited for the dancers. I'm excited to be going into the theater and seeing my final work of progress on stage. It is an amazing feeling as a choreographer. I'm excited. So I want to look good. Highlight through here. And I always get red right by my nose. Playing really well with this foundation. But of course, go ahead and set the Boy concealer, of course, using my Sigma brush. Okay, foundation, concealer is on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup, but we're not finished. We're gonna be testing out this for my cheeks, and let's just do it. All right. Makeup's on. For eyes, I just went in with Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. I just wanted to do a very simple look. Oh my God, you guys, this eyeshadow palette is gorgeous, and I topped it off with this beautiful gold shade right here. This is called the Golden Disco palette from Dollar General, and in case you missed it, I will put the link up there when I did a haul on Dollar General. Now, the eyeliner I did, of course, was Benefit Roller Lash. The mascara is also Benefit. Yeah, and now we're gonna jump into the Benetint Cheek and Lip Stain. You guys, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen, but maybe I've just had a sheltered life. But it comes in a tiny bottle like so. It's plastic and it retails for $18. And I believe you get 6.0 milliliters. And I want you to see the consistency of this. To me, it reminds me of Halloween and fake blood. Let's open her up. I mean, look at the tiny little doe foot. And what you do is well, we're gonna try it out right now. Okay, here we go. Ready? She got some pigment. Oh, and I'm just gonna tap it. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's supposed to give you that natural flush. And I love cream blushes because sometimes I think your regular powder blushes add texture, and when you have mature skin like me, you don't want to create those layers of texture. This is, holy shit, this is pretty. It is just smooth and beautiful. How does it look? Can you see that? And if you put too much on, I think you could just take your beauty sponge and just tap it out. But this is beautiful. Ooh, it smells. It smells like roses. Well, go figure. This is lovely. So I'm just going to take the doe foot right here. I'm going to go balls in. Seriously, the consistency is like water. It's so strange. I don't see any. Oh boy, it does not taste good. Do not eat it. It's a nice natural look. Not my usual bam red lip. But you know what? It's pretty. It tastes so weird. It tastes like roses. Or you just drank a bottle of Mario Badescu. And I gotta get on the road. It's 90 miles to Knoxville from where I'm at. And it's supposed to rain, so hopefully traffic won't be too bad. And we're done. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I'm not impressed with it as a lip stain right off the bat, so I may just throw on some lipstick. Yeah, but let's finish it off with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Mist. Set the face. And I'm going to have some coffee. And we're going to get on the road. And I'm going to take you with me. So let's go. Okay. You guys, I've seen the run of the show. You don't have much time to change.
Oh yeah,
oh
yeah, they have 6 minutes.
How will your hair be initially?
It'll run.
That should work. It'll be fine. Yeah.
Hey Tim, can I borrow your brush?
And makeup? How's your makeup gonna be like?
Just, we usually do original, just
Like red lip?
Yeah.
Hey Blondie, can you do like a pale pink lip for me for this piece? Do you have time to just wipe? Or do you go?
I kind of do that.
It's like almost like a pinkish nudish color, because I don't want you to look glamorous. I just want you to look very young. Does that make sense? Okay. Bella, how you doing?
Good.
Okay. See you guys downstairs, okay?
Okay.
All right. See ya.
Hey Josh. Yes, ma'am. How do you feel about us not circling up so she's giving us
Looks kind of cramped back here.
Sorry, no, just keep me out of your way. You're fine.
the ballet, and I'm super excited. But yeah, the makeup, I'm not so sure about the foundation. The blush is looking fabulous. The lipstick, sorry, that was a big no. I don't like it as a lip stain, so I went ahead and put on my Maybelline, of course, Super Stay ink crayon. But just check out the theater, guys. It's so beautiful. All right, wish me luck. And I'm back. It is exactly 7:55 p.m. It's been almost 12 hours since I first applied the Benefit Hello Happy Brightening Foundation. Now, I have not touched up all day. I don't think it's oxidized too much on my skin. First and foremost, it was super comfortable. It is super dewy. I felt like my skin looked fresh. But as far as the coverage, I would say light to medium coverage at best. The Benetint, love it as a cheek stain. There's no texture. My skin is just super smooth and soft. But as a lip stain, I would say no. So yeah, now remember the foundation, the half mini size retails for $15. The full size retails for $30. This retails for $18. And like I said, I picked it up at my local Ulta. I hope you enjoyed this crazy day of going to the ballet with me, and I hope you enjoyed the dancers. I'm super blessed to have been able to create such a beautiful work on the dancers. Thank you to Kira, the kind woman that documented this vlog, and it is also for a school project as well, so super excited for her. Thank you to the Bijou Theater, thank you to Go Contemporary Dance Works, and to Lisa McKee for entrusting your talented dancers with me and allowing me to do what I love most. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and don't forget to click on my little head to subscribe if you haven't yet. And in case you're interested, check out these videos right here. Mahal kita. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.